In most recipes, you'll find that vanilla essence, extract, beans, or bean paste can all be used interchangeably. To replace 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, use 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence or paste. A vanilla pod can be replaced by 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract or paste. Vanilla sugar will work in baking recipes where a subtle taste of vanilla is okay. Most brands are predominantly sugar, so you'll want to cut back on the other sweeteners in the recipe. Almond extract won't provide the same flavor you'd get from vanilla, but it's still a useful alternative. They both have an aromatic, sweet flavor that works well in desserts, puddings, and baked goods. Sweet or savory recipes that call for vanilla will also work well with alcohol. Vanilla-flavored rum, bourbon, or brandy are great options. While maple syrup is predominantly maple-flavored, it also has delicious hints of caramel and vanilla. Its sweet aroma is similar to vanilla, and it works well in most baked goods. You can use the same amount of maple syrup as you'd use vanilla extract, but keep in mind it's much sweeter. If you're adding other sweeteners, then reduce them a little to allow for the maple syrup. Vanilla-flavored ice cream won't work in most recipes, but it's a simple option for adding vanilla flavor to floats and milkshakes. For a completely different taste to vanilla, use coffee. It's ideal for adding to chocolate desserts and baked goods. A pinch of espresso powder or instant coffee is all that's needed to add deep, rich flavor to the recipe.